The iMovr Ergodynamics app is a great way to control your workstation, and today I'll be walking you through how to use it. Make sure your zip desk is set up, plugged in, and powered. Your desk came with a Bluetooth dongle that will be used to control the desk with the app, so make sure it's installed as shown here. Now, download the iMovr Ergodynamics app. Once downloaded, open your app and accept the Bluetooth permissions to be able to control your desk. Once accepted, you will then be on the home screen, ready to connect to your desk. To do this, press the Connect icon in the menu bar at the bottom of the app. If you have multiple desks, match each device ID to the number that's on the Bluetooth dongle. Now, click on the plus icon on the Discover Desk button. Enter a name for your desk and press the Save button. Tap the Control button to go back to the main page. You are now connected to your desk. You can now move your desk up and down by pressing and holding the up or down button. To save your preset heights, move your desk to your desired position and tap the plus icon to save your preset setting and give that setting a name like sit, stand, or walk. Then press done and your position will be saved. Repeat this process for all your desired desk heights. Tap the arrow button to see the additional 3 height settings that are reserved for future features of this app, specifically to create combo settings for the electric monitor arm, office treadmill, or other iMovr Bluetooth sync devices that will work together with your desk in a single tap. Now you can touch and hold your preset to move your desk to your saved height. If you wish to move your desk up and down at the tap of a button, tap the gear icon and switch your settings from press and hold to touch and go. Read through the safety disclaimer and agree to enable touch and go. Now you can raise and lower your desk at the tap of a button. To interrupt auto drive at any time, just tap the stop button while the desk is moving. Be sure to only operate your desk when it's fully visible and has no obstructions to the desk's movement path. To see a full list of motorized ergonomic products coming to the app, click the link in the description below. iMovr, moving towards health.